Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to add YouTube link to Instagram story. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Now I'm opening it. And tap on the plus icon. Select the story option. And tap on here. Click on. And find the link option. Select this. And then finally just paste on your YouTube link. And then tap on done. Okay, now successfully add YouTube link to your Instagram story. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.